A quarter of the world's furniture is produced in Europe, making a significant contribution to the economy. However, factors affecting companies' competitiveness are aging workforce and unskilled workers. As a result, the sector suffers an unattractiveness perception, an unfamiliarity with the industry, and an awareness of opportunities of sector studies. Jasper and Elizabeth want to follow the steps of their respective families, and they are looking for a job in traditional sectors, such as the furniture or woodworking sectors. They wish to obtain professional training, but how? Here is the solution for them: IM Future, the international master degree in the furniture sector. Co-founded by the Erasmus Plus program of the European Union, IM Future arises from a strategic partnership composed by higher education and business institutions, as well as stakeholders from the UK, Italy, Poland, and Spain. The developed curriculum attunes to current labor market needs and responds to the requirements of the furniture and woodworking sectors. This training material will provide opportunities for students like Jasper and Elizabeth to gain additional skills through studying and training abroad. At this point, perhaps Jasper and Elizabeth, or even other students, would like to know more about this training program. The structure of IM Future is divided in 5 specializations: production, design, business, research, and general master. Depending on the chosen specialization, students will take 4 main modules and 6 optional ones, with practices and dissertation. The course is free and accessible online through a training platform. Jasper and Elizabeth, would you like to know what training path you can choose from? Let's see the options. Production. In this specialization, students will receive training on how the piece of furniture is produced. Design. This specialization is focused on how a piece of furniture is thought and how the draft or model is created according to that idea. Business. In this option, the students will receive training related to management of a company. Research. This specialization is for students who want to investigate in the furniture field. General Master, developed for those students who don't want to specialize in a concrete field, but rather have a general knowledge of the furniture sector. This joint study program between higher education and vocational education training will capitalize companies with prepared youth from all around Europe, providing enterprises with innovation, expertise, and added value. IM Future, because you are the future.